back with another video. What y'all gonna do? Like, comment, sub to the channel. And guys, y'all know by the title of the video, we're gonna be trying these snacks that I got from Five Below that I never tried. So let's try the tattoo because it's supposed to do a tattoo. I had blue Takis, okay? Okay, so I tried the tattoo, so let's try the bite. Whatever in the middle of it is kind of good, and it's sour. I was gonna get the colorful one, but my mom was like, no, get the blue ones, so I'm gonna try them too. And then there's the teeth. Okay, let's try this one. You can't see that one, but yeah. Okay guys, that was real good. Yeah, I'm gonna give it some more. And guys, I'm gonna have an Easter egg hunt tonight. And like, they're gonna have glow sticks, and then there's gonna be eggs with tickets in them. And then like, if you find the egg with a ticket in it, and there's like a prize that you get. And I'm trying to win the wax candy because like there's wax candy at Five Below for like $3, and I got 4. I got $12. But yeah. But as I was saying, today was fun because I painted this rabbit. We listen and we don't judge. I painted a rabbit. It actually looks kind of good in real life, and like the back on reality, it's eaten. Just don't worry about the ears. The back is eaten. Yeah, but guys, I want to try some new snacks with you guys. And you know, all those videos I posted, I haven't been getting likes or subs. Guys, I beg you, bless me with subs and likes, because if y'all get me to 1,000 subscribers, I'll give 10 shout outs to 10 of the people shout outs for who like my videos, because like I try my butt off for these videos. Figurative language, okay? And next time I'll be trying mango tahini, because like I love mango tahini. I had some yesterday, but I'm sorry for guys that I didn't show y'all. But it was just, I was out and about, so I really wasn't thinking. But guys, peace out. Like to the video, sub, and comment down below. And this is for all ages. But yeah, peace. And this is mostly like for girls.